Crypto Beanies, I'm back with another daily video on Dogelon Mars. So if you want videos like this one going over prices and predictions and daily updates, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you will never miss out on a video and you can get in and out of the best prices. Let's get straight into this price prediction. I posted a video going over the levels for day traders and short-term traders. So if you are currently not sure what to do, you go ahead and watch the latest video I posted. But in this video, we're going to go over price prediction. So, long story short, Dogelon Mars, this is the previous all-time high, currently sitting at a 17x. If we mark that out into market cap levels, if it pumps back up to here, that's around a 1.6 billion, 1.6 to 1.9 billion. I forgot exactly. I could back out here and check. Actually, let me do that for you guys. So it's a 1.2 billion dollar market cap right up here. So keep that in mind. As we pump, if it hits a 10 billion and you're averaged in here, so that 17x can turn to a lot more. So let's keep that in mind. This is a 1.2, so around a 1 would be there. This would be a 2. This would be a 3 billion, 4 billion, 5. Yeah. So if it hits a 5 billion market cap, you know, that's like a 80x. So, hell yeah. That'll be dope. Now, in order to get up to here, we got to see a shift happen in the markets. All this Solana meme coin based coins, the interest from there needs to shift to more stable meme coins. And we'll see that eventually as the interest slowly dies off. And the bigger money takes all the poor people's money, and then they need to reinvest somewhere. I do believe they'll look for a stabler coin, such as Dogelon Mars. It's been on the market for a long time, and yeah, they'll invest into it and pump it up. So that's what we're looking at. This could take, now price prediction, I could see it hitting a 20 billion market cap. So if this was a 1.2 at 26, that means it would be a 2.4 at what, 40, no, 52, 2.4, and then a 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it would be like way up here. 20 bill, like 21,000% would be pretty cool, right? That's a how much is that? That's like 210x, if I'm not mistaken. A billion from here is around a 16, so a 21,000% gain would be, yeah, around a 210x if it goes up to 20 billion. Now, let's go ahead and look at the competitors on the markets right now. Meme coin competitors. We have Dogecoin sitting at a $25 billion market cap. Now, the most we've ever seen Dogecoin hit market cap wise, I believe, was around that 70. Let's see exactly what it was though. 75. That's the most Dogecoin ever hit, and look how fast it just pumped. Okay, so keep that in mind. It was also on the market for a long time, but the runner-up to Dogecoin was, as you guys already know, Shiba Inu. We saw Shiba Inu pump fast and hard as well after being on the market ever since 2020. We saw it steadily, it pumped, and then it held around this $2 billion market cap for a long time. Then it pumped again to 37 bill, right? And at one point, Dogelon Mars was right under SHIB as the third biggest crypto ever. Now, it hasn't had its time to where it pumps up into these 10 or 20 billions yet. We might see it, we might not ever see it, but what I'm saying is Shiba Inu got on the market 2020, Dogelon Mars is on the market 2021 and has been holding. So if it does have a time, the time is coming, and it should be coming here soon. The next one we have though is Pepe. This was just came out of the blue, right after Shiba Inu, and the most we saw that hit was an $11 billion market cap. So cool stuff. These are the competitors on that have made a successful run so far. Now Pepe wasn't crazy. I mean, it was a good gain, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't as successful as Shiba Inu or Dogelon or Dogecoin. But Dogelon Mars, we will see, and you will see. Let's go over to it. I'm not going to scroll all the way down. Is that like, what is it at? Like 400 now? At one point it was up in the 60s. It's at 390 now. But yeah, this is how we're looking. From 21, we saw a pump. It had a little bit up into its time, 1.2 bill. And the thesis is new money, old money, big money will start to invest back into this coin and pump it again. Now, mainly because if we go over here, let's see if we could see it. Addresses by holdings. Okay, this is important. The gold, we have 0.05% right now, currently holding over 100K. We have 2.35% holding between 1K and 100K. We have 97.6% of people holding between 0 and 1,000. Okay, 61% whales, 38% everyone else. Okay, so with a 61% whale holding rating, that means if this does pump, there's a few people who control a vast amount of the overall supply. 4 years ago, their airdrop, dang, they need to update that. But yeah, so keep that in mind. And the supply is a lot. I don't even know how to pronounce that. That's a lot. Circulating supply is currently 549 trillion. Elon, I believe that's trillion. Yeah. Million, billion, trillion. So that's. Are we seriously? Holy crap, guys! We're almost halfway. We're literally. I'm just now seeing this. We're almost halfway. We're more than halfway full. This is million, billion, trillion. Bro. We're almost more than halfway bought up of the total supply. That's crazy. I want to compare that to Bitcoin real quick, actually. Circulating supply is, yeah. So look, circulating supply is 19.84 million. This is how much is bought, and this is the total supply. 0.84. It's literally up to the T, right? The max supply after it's being hashed and unhashed and broken down and figured out and is 21. But with Elon, the max supply is 1P. And the circulating supply is 149. So it's over half. That's pretty cool to see, actually. And 62% of those are whales holding it. As you see here, they hold over 1% of the circulating supply. 62% of people in Dogelon Mars hold over 1% of the circulating supply. So that means, yeah, I could do the math real quick. What's 1% of 549 trillion? What's that's like 159? Something like that. Nah, it'd be like, hold up. What's 1%? Hold up, I'm gonna type it in the calculator real quick. That's actually an important number to know. 652 770 159 583 times 0.01 would be. All right, now we type this in here. This is 1%. 5, 4. Hey! Sorry, guys. Thanks. 701 59. There's dogs outside. 5. So, hey, no. 740,000. That's 62% of the holdings. So whales right now have insane 740K into Dogelon Mars. Pretty nutty, man. Pretty nutty. So also, if you look at the addresses by holdings, that's 0.05% of people are holding over, what's it called? Are holding over 100K. And if 1% of this total circulating supply right now is worth $740,574. Sorry, getting started up. That means 0.5%. It's not 0.01. That means there's multiple people holding over 1%, and this is only 1%. It could be millions. Keep that in mind. So, yeah, interesting stuff. But what this means is, like, when we do, so also keep in mind, man, this is at all-time lows, bro, and people are hodling the fuck out of this right now, like, with millions. And they control a lot of it. So they're waiting to make their money back, for sure. And I love it. I think that's really cool because it will allow the confidence of others to also invest their money in. So if we look at the market cap right now, 74 mil. If we go ahead down here and look at 1%, 740,000. So what the hell does that mean? That means, yeah, that's 1%. So that means there's a lot of different people. I'm trying to put a number on how many people are holding it with over 1%. It says 62% of people are holding over 1%, over $740,000 worth of Dogelon Mars. If you're holding over 1%, leave a comment. I wanna know if anyone watching these videos are holding over 1% Dogelon Mars right now. But yeah, so let's say we do end up pumping like a fuckload. Keep this in mind. All those people who are holding hell like 1%, a lot of them will fucking sell before the maximum price. But a lot of them will hold and make probably billions. Like if this hits a $20 billion market cap, mother trucker, sorry, this is like, what, that was like a 200 10x. So 210x times 740,000. Let's just do that math real quick. That's 155 million, right? So if people holding over 1% hold until this hits a $20 billion market cap, they'll have $155 million worth of Dogelon Mars right now. And 62% of holders are whales that are right now are whales that are holding over 1% of the total supply, circulating supply of Dogelon Mars, with half of the circulating or total supply left to be bought. So there's still room for new money to come in, which is good, but there's a lot of people holding the shit out of this coin with a lot of money, because they see the potential of making $100 million worth off of like $1 million in investment, which is pretty damn cool. If you are watching these videos and you make $100 million, bro, you better slide your boy some. That would be crazy. But this is freaking cool because this was a $1.2 billion market cap right here, these 25s, okay? If it hits that again from here, what's that? That's 22x, okay? So a lot of whales, once they see that, they're going to sell off. 22. That's 16 mil. They'll make 16 mil off of a $740,000 investment once it comes up and hits these. A lot of people are going to sell off, but the smart whales are going to buy back in and continue to push the shit out of this thing and buy as much as they possibly can until it hits 20 billion. And then you reinvest into the media and push the shit out of this thing. Once you have a nice little chunk and you make it go mainstream. But then you're stuck at a $20 billion market cap with $100 million in Dogelon Mars. There's no way of offloading it all without completely crashing the price. But at that point, the market cap would be billions, right? So 100 million wouldn't really make that much of a difference. But with 62% of people at 100 million each at $20 billion market cap, let's do that math real quick. 62% of people. No, that's crazy, bro. No, they could crash the price like crazy, but it all depends if they're everyone's in to make money. Anyways, yeah, price prediction is it's gonna go up a lot higher, and you should get it now if you have enough to buy over 1%. I don't think you'll probably not ever, but right now is like the perfect price to get in if you look on the dailies. Goddamn. We have 62% holders that have been holding a long ass time, and a bunch of whales with over 1% that plan to make a lot of money, and it's super low right now. Good prices. And yeah, man, so yeah, that's crazy. To put that into perspective. So yeah, Crypto Bean is 69. I hope you enjoyed the video. This one was kind of all over the place, but it's pretty cool to actually comprehend what is going on here with the total supply and the whale holdings and 0.5% of people. So there's a few people, bro, just a few people controlling 62% of the circulating supply. So who are these people? I don't know. We could probably track their wallets and see what they're holding. I forgot how to do that. I'll have to YouTube it, but yeah, pretty dang cool. Maybe we can hold up. Is there maybe there's a thing here where you could like it shows the wallets that are holding it. Also, you can get this on Coinbase, I believe. I know you can get on Coinbase Pro. You can get on all platforms now, so it's everywhere. We just haven't seen a little push yet. Historical data. That's not it. How to get... There's like a website, isn't there? Let's look it up. How to find whale wallets. Find whale wallets. You can leave a ether scan. That's it. Yeah. Let's go to ether scan. Search by block token ELON. Okay, this is gonna be crazy. Yes. On-chain market cap, 133 mil. Interesting. Circulating supply market cap, 73. Holders, 162K. Oh, this is really cool, guys. Hey, if you are still watching the video, I want you to drop, that 100 emoji. Drop that 100 emoji in the comment section. If you're a whale, drop a whale emoji in the comment section. And if I click on your wallet, I'll drop my wallet in the description. Airdrop me some Elon, and I'll hodl with you. Okay, so $12. These are 1 minute ago. Someone just bought $12 worth of Elon. Hell yeah. 2 minutes ago, someone bought $1,800 worth of Elon. Hell yeah. What the hell? Hey, yo. How'd they get 82 mil for only 11? Oh, no, that makes sense. It's a lot less. There's just stuff here. Someone full ported their entire day's salary into their $46.14 into Dogelon Mars 17 minutes ago. Oh, there's a 240. We are not seeing anything crazy. 30 minutes ago, 346. Bruh, $3.50? Serious, bro? Oh, Coinbase fees. 350. Is this the same address? 350. Nah, Uniswap. Yeah, it could be. Could be the same address. 19. Nah, different. 4K. There you go. 43 minutes ago. 62. I assume most of the people watching this channel that are buying in with like 14, anywhere on the lower end, has already clicked off. Anyone right now is probably up into these 4K levels, or they're whales. Yeah, we're not seeing anything crazy. Can we filter this by let's filter it by amount. We'll go a mil plus. No way. Oh. No. I mean like $1 million, not this is cents. 3 hours ago someone bought. What is this, bro? That's crazy. Okay, now cancel this. Cancel this. Okay. Alright, we reset it. Wait. Okay. Holders. This is what we're looking for. Someone's holding $30 million worth of Dogelon Mars. Holding 23%. That's a fuckload of Dogelon Mars. Let's check this wallet out. 5 hours ago, they bought 15 G's. 2 days ago, they bought... Come on, bro. Is this the same wallet, bro? No, these are different wallets. Hold up. Bro, can I not, like, just look at the wallet? Like, look in their wallet? I know you can, but... Value, quantity, address. Copy address. What is it? There's like a whale. Isn't it whale finder? Finder crypto or something like that. You can, like, paste their wallet in or something. Wallet address, paste. Bro, come on now. I thought you could do it through here. 947E. Filtered by token holder. 16,000 ETH, 23%. From to ETH balance 180k ETH. ETH value 343 mil. Funded by crypto.com. Is this a crypto.com bro? That would make sense if the big platforms are buying at these levels, like a fuckload of it, so they can resell it for later, you know, as they promote it and push it. That'd be a good investment opportunity, actually. Okay, I'm not gonna. I doubt anyone's watching right now. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I want to look in this damn wallet. Hold up. How to look in a crypto wallet transactions. Blockchain Explorer. Okay, let's check it. There are 1 blockchains. ETH. They're stacking up on the ETH blockchain. Okay. All right, I think this is it. What is this? Token portfolio. $346 million worth of AMP. Where's Elon? Sheep? Ain't no fucking way. Okay, no. No. This has to be the tokens, not dollars. They bought a lot of sheep. 33 trill. Let's see how much Elon. So a big ass wallet like this is important to look at, because these guys are on a different level. First of all, they're holding Chainlink and all these things they see a future for. Pippin. The fuck? See, I don't even know some of these. What are these? Tesla AI. Mavia. Looking for Elon. Where's Elon? Pepe. There it is, Elon. 230.6 trillion. It's like one of their biggest holdings is Elon. So they are probably a founder or something. I don't even know who the hell this is. It could be a big company. Could be one person, but it's probably a big company, especially if they're holding all this. Ethereum balance 343 mil. Ethereum address is that. Pretty crazy, bro. So yeah, they're holding $38 million of Tether. And they're holding how much of Elon? I think it said here. A lot of Elon. Info. Where was it? Whatever, I forgot how to do it. Yeah, man, crazy stuff. Let's go to their wallet. Interesting. It's just small transactions, it seems. But, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go. Crypto Beanie 69 out.